In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a drop-down menu in Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account, then go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage everything for your store. We'll be working inside the navigation settings that control what appears in your online store's main menu. From the dashboard, look for the section labeled Content in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This area is where Shopify lets you manage things like meta objects and menus, which is what we need for creating a dropdown. Inside Content, click on Menus. Menus control the links that appear at the top of your store, like Home, Shop, Contact, and so on. You should see a list of available menus here. Find the one called Main Menu and click on it. This is usually the menu that appears in your store's header and is where we'll create the dropdown. Now, click on Add Menu Item. This will let you add a new link to your main menu. In the name field, type in the name of the menu item that will sit at the top of your dropdown. This is the main heading that customers will hover over to see the dropdown options, for example, Shop or Collections. Next, you need to link this new menu item to somewhere in your store. Click on the link field and choose what you want this main item to point to. It could be a collection, a specific product, your homepage, or even a custom page. Select the destination that makes the most sense, then confirm the link. Below that new menu item you just created, click on Add Menu Item again. This time you're adding the first actual drop-down option. Give it a clear name that tells customers what they'll see when they click it, like New Arrivals or Sale Items. Once again, click on the link field and choose where this drop-down item should take them, such as a specific collection or product. When you're done adding this drop-down item, click Save. Now you need to turn it into an actual drop-down. Click and drag that new item so it sits just below and slightly to the right of the main menu item you created earlier. That small indent tells Shopify it's a child item, which makes it appear in a drop-down under the main heading. Click Save again to confirm your changes. Finally, go to your online store, refresh the page, and hover over your main menu item to see your new drop-down in action. You're all done.